welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to get rid of dark spot and hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation around your mouth, your face, anywhere you want to get rid of it, this video is for you. In case you just came across my video for the first time, you are highly welcome to the family. My name is Naya. In this channel, we post about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you will be notified. And don't forget to share with your loved ones and your families, okay? So, let's proceed. Alright, so to make this mask, we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You can go to any supermarket and get your baking soda, okay? So after that, we're going to squeeze some lemon juice into, you can use lemon. Please don't use lime, but if you choose to use lime, you can go ahead and use it, okay? So we're just going to squeeze some lemon juice. After then, we're going to add our next ingredient, which is honey, okay? Honey is really great on skin care, especially if you have dark spot, hyperpigmentation. It's very good on the skin. So these 3 ingredients that I'm going to share with you today, they are really great on the skin. So all you have to do is to make sure that you wash to the end so that you can or you will understand everything, how to use it, how to store it, okay? So after that, you go ahead and mix all the 3 ingredients until they are well incorporated. After that, you're going to wash your face with lukewarm water, okay? You have to wash your face with lukewarm water to wake up your skin or whatever. So after washing up your face, you just go ahead and apply this. Make sure you are going to mix this, like seriously mix it very well before applying it. And before applying it, make sure you wash your face. Take off all the makeup and all that you applied on your face before applying this, okay? For those of you that always says that baking soda burns your face and give you sunburn, please, it's because you use it in the wrong way, okay? So right now you just go ahead, wash your face after washing. So make sure that you apply it to your skin, alright? So you can apply it on your face or your body, any part of your body that you're having a dark spot or hyperpigmentation and you want to get rid of it. As for me, I have some dark spot on my forehead as well, so I decide to use it all over my face because my face is not that good. Whenever I'm going to my visitor is on it, she's on her way, I always develop some rashes and pimples, so I don't know. So after that, just go ahead and use your hands to massage it, like massage it to your skin. Do not do it so hard because the baking soda might peel off your skin because it's hard a little bit, okay? So after applying it, you're going to leave it on your skin for like 5 minutes, okay? Before taking it off with cold water. Before applying it, you have to wash your face with lukewarm water or warm water, okay, so that your skin will wake up. After that, you go ahead and wash it off with cold water. Alright, so this is it. I've waited. My 5 minutes has already complete, so I'll just go ahead and take it off and follow it up with my moisturizer. I hope you love this video and how to store it. Just store it on the fridge, okay? Use this 1 or twice in a week, alright? So that is all for today's video. Hope you love it. I hope it's helpful to you. So thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!